how to add music to your Instagram profile. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how you can add music to your Instagram profile. So let's get started. So on this process, firstly you will have to open your Instagram account. So simply open the Instagram app, and after you open the Instagram app with your logged in account, you will have to go the options messages section. So it will appear on the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on the messages icon. Alright, so on the message section, you will be able to find the options like add notes. So it will appear on the profile section. So simply tap on this add note option. And now from here to add the music, you will have to go with the options music sticker. So simply you have to tap on this music sticker. And now from here, you can choose the respected or desired music whom you want to add on your Instagram profile. So you can also search it by its specific name. So in my case, I will choose this music. Okay, so after choosing the music and its clip, you will have to click on this tick option. And now we are done. To add this music on your profile, you will have to click on that share option. So simply tap on this share option. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully added the Instagram music on my Instagram profile. So this is the easiest and simplest method to add the music on your Instagram profile. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.